This is a field strip video for the H&K USP Compact 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. As with any gun, first thing we're going to do when we pick it up, drop the clip, make sure there's nothing in the clip, and rack the slide, make sure there's nothing in the chamber. Once you're sure the gun's unloaded, we can start the disassembly as it's safe to handle. This particular gun has a release lever, or the slide release here needs to be removed, and you'll see there's a small portion there that's sticking out the other side of the gun. What we're going to need to do is, I usually put my thumb in on the back of the grip here and then pull the slide back to where the notch that you'll see in the slide lines up with the center of this pin in the middle of the notch, and then from the other side push up on the pin you see sticking through the gun. That'll bring the release lever up here slightly and just pull it straight out. Let go of the slide. Now once this pin's out, the slide just simply comes off the front of the gun. Recoil spring assembly, very easy to remove. We're just going to push forward a little bit and it releases the barrel. Push it forward, angled it up just a tiny bit, and there you go. Those are the pieces for the H&K 40 caliber USP Compact. Putting it back together is not any more difficult. We're just going to do things in reverse. The barrel needs to go back in. It's in place. The recoil spring assembly here, you're going to put the hooked portion of it down toward the barrel, the other end of the spring, the hole there at the front. Once again, compress the spring slightly and it just snaps down into the catch on the barrel. You do need to make sure that this is manually lined up pretty well in the center of the slide for the gun to properly reassemble. I'm going to put the slide back on. You'll see that there's grooves in the slide there that will ride along these catches here. And now the gun's back together. We need to reinsert the pin, and we're going to need to do the same thing where we pull it back to where that notch is lined up right over the hole there. Push it back through. Once it's all the way in place, release the slide, and there you go. The H&K USP Compact 40 caliber, good to go.